Welcome to Spring LIB.
All right, the intensity as a function of angle from the central maximum is given by I naught equals I naught times cosine squared delta over 2. And so when you plug in delta, it comes out to be pi d sine theta over lambda. The twos in the numerator and denominator cancel. So this you want to be equal to 1/2 of I naught, okay? So the I naughts cancel on both sides. You're left with cosine squared pi d sine theta over lambda is equal to 1/2. Okay, so you take the square root of both sides, you get cosine pi d sine theta over lambda is equal to plus or minus 1/2. And you take the cosine inverse of plus or minus 1/2. And what you get is that pi d sine theta over lambda, is equal to pi over 4, or 45 degrees, plus or minus pi over 2 times n being an integer, okay? So, or 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Right? So pi d sine theta over lambda is equal to pi over 4 plus or minus an integer number of pi over 2. An integer multiple of pi over 2, I should say. Therefore, we divide both sides by pi. The pi's cancel, and we multiply both sides by lambda. What we get is that d sine theta is equal to lambda over 4. Lambda over 4 plus or minus lambda over 2n. Now we multiply both sides by 2. And what we get is 2d sine theta is equal to, 2d sine theta is equal to lambda, that's the common term in both, times n plus or minus 1/2. And so we know that the angle will be greater than or equal to 0. So theta will be greater than or equal to 0. And so in that case, the minus drops out. So we're left with 2d sine theta equals lambda times n plus half, where n is 0, 1, 2, 3. N is an integer, basically. And that's it.